Hello students, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. In this video, I am going to teach introduction of bookkeeping and accountancy. Let us study about the qualitative characteristics of accounting information. First is reliability. This is a very important characteristics of accounting information. Accounting information should be recorded on the basis of documentary evidence which is verifiable and reliable. The accounting facts should be presented in an unbiased, that is impartial manner. As per the characteristics, accounting information should be verifiable, neutral and faithful. So the information presented in the accounting records and financial statements should be the most accurate and relevant information. Relevant information includes anything that can be considered useful, important, timely and understandable for decision making. So the purpose of the reliability principle is to ensure all business accounting records and statements are true and fair. Second is relevance. All the accounting information which is useful and relevant should be included in the books of accounts. Relevant information is any information which may change the results of the business if disclosed. Every such information should be included in the books of accounts. At the same time, any irrelevant information should be ignored. So, relevance is the concept that the information generated by an accounting system should impact the decision making of someone pursuing the information. Relevance in accounting also means that it should be useful for the decision making process for the end users. And also the unnecessary information which is not useful for the company should not be considered. Third is understandability. Accounting information is utilized by various parties such as customers, investors, government, workers, employees, analysts, economists, researchers, etc. Accounting information should therefore be recorded, presented and interpreted in a manner that can be understood easily by all its users. It should be brief, clear, concise, exact and suitable to all its users. So in this concept, the financial information should be presented so that the readers can easily understand it. If the accounting treatments involved and the associated disclosures are too complex for a user to understand despite of having adequate knowledge of the entity and accountancy in general, then this would undermine the reliability of the whole financial statements. So, understandability of the information contained in the financial statement is essential for its relevance to the users. Fourth is comparability. It is essential to have accuracy in the comparison method and the practice of recording and presenting accounting information every year. Accounting information should be recorded and presented in a consistent manner so that it can be easily compared year after year. Comparability is an important characteristic of accounting information as it helps in effective decision making. So, comparability is the fact of two or more things being compared. So, it is the level of standardization of accounting information that allows the financial statements of multiple organizations to be compared to each other.